In the year 980 CE, a child was born in Bukhara, a city on the fringes of the Islamic Empire, who would become one of the greatest minds the world has ever known. His name was Abu Ali al-Husayn ibn Abd Allah ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna. A polymath, philosopher, physician, and scholar, Ibn Sina made groundbreaking contributions across multiple disciplines, leaving a legacy that would shape the world of science and medicine for centuries to come. Ibn Sina's The Canon of Medicine, Al-Qanun fi al-Tib, a monumental medical encyclopedia, stands as one of his most influential works. This 5-volume text became the standard medical reference in both the Islamic world and Europe, well into the 17th century. In this work, Ibn Sina systematically categorized the medical knowledge of his time. He described diseases, diagnostics, and treatments, outlining the principles of medicine that would be foundational for both Islamic and European physicians. Perhaps most importantly, he identified the contagious nature of diseases, such as tuberculosis, and suggested that diseases could spread through air and water. His insights into quarantine procedures, diet, and surgical techniques were centuries ahead of their time. His work also laid the groundwork for pharmacology, with detailed descriptions of over 760 different drugs derived from plants, minerals, and animals. He emphasized a holistic approach to medicine, understanding that physical, mental, and environmental factors all play a role in a person's health. Beyond medicine, Ibn Sina's contributions to philosophy were equally significant. Influenced by Aristotle, he sought to harmonize Islamic philosophy with ancient Greek thought. His most notable philosophical work, the Book of Healing, Kitab al-Shifa, tackled a wide range of topics from metaphysics and logic to psychology and ethics. In metaphysics, Ibn Sina explored the nature of existence and being, introducing concepts that would later influence medieval Christian philosophers, including Thomas Aquinas. Ibn Sina proposed the distinction between essence and existence, arguing that all beings are contingent, relying on a necessary being for their existence. This necessary being, according to Ibn Sina, was God. His philosophical ideas traveled beyond the Islamic world, deeply influencing the development of scholasticism in Europe. For centuries, his works were studied alongside those of Aristotle in universities across the continent. Ibn Sina's insights extended into the realms of psychology and neuroscience. In his medical and philosophical texts, he explored how the brain and mind are interconnected. His work detailed how emotions, thoughts, and mental states could impact physical health. Ibn Sina was one of the first to propose the concept that the mind and body influence each other, a principle echoed in modern psychosomatic medicine. He discussed the role of perception, memory, and imagination, linking mental faculties with specific parts of the brain. In addition to his work in medicine and philosophy, Ibn Sina made strides in astronomy and mathematics. He expanded on the work of previous Islamic scholars and made corrections to the Ptolemaic model of planetary motion. Ibn Sina argued for the existence of multiple planetary spheres, contributing to our understanding of celestial bodies. His mathematical contributions also included improvements in geometry and logic, influencing the development of algebra and calculus centuries later. He applied mathematical precision to his philosophical works, particularly in logic and metaphysics. Ibn Sina's legacy is not just one of a scholar or a physician, it is the legacy of a mind that transcended the boundaries of time, culture, and discipline. His works, written over 1,000 years ago, continue to inspire scientists, physicians, and philosophers today. Through his enduring contributions to medicine, philosophy, psychology, and the sciences, Ibn Sina secured his place as one of the greatest minds in human history.